Hello everybody, and welcome to Little Shop of Laura Yarns and Fabrics Christmas Special. My name is Laura Hernandez. I would like you to see my latest creation, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to teach you how to crochet a little Christmas tree gnome. This little Christmas tree gnome is about approximately 7 inches of 18 centimeters. For this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to make a free pattern for you, little Christmas tree gnome amigurumi. And today this video, I'm going to make this only for the body and the nose. And I think that's it for the top of my head. This is the first part for today because I think it's gonna be a little bit long video sometimes. So anyway, I would love to add it for a subtitle. I will recommend it for understanding how to learn other languages in English and Spanish subtitle. So if you want to see other images, you can click on the links if you'd like to see more crochet dolls. And if you'd like to donate, support me on Ko-fi. And if you'd like to subscribe me on the links, follow me on Instagram. Now let's see the material tool needs if you need to follow the instructions. Here are the material tool needs. You will need a 4.50 millimeters crochet hook and scissor. And don't forget, you have to use your pet comb. It's for the brushing the beard. And stuffing, needle, stitch marker, hot glue gun, and the counter stitch. So the yarn color needs is gonna have any color you like. For example, like the red yarn or blue or green, however you prefer, we're gonna make. And now for the white yarn is for the beard and the hair. And the other colors is gonna have the tan skin or beige or brown or any skin color you like. And that's it. That's all the material needs of what you get. I hope you enjoyed this video for this tutorial. Little Christmas tree gnome. Please don't forget, leave your likes, subscribe, and activate the bell and share the video. When you're ready to work this tutorial. And without any further ado, let's get started. So for this body, I'm going to use the navy blue. If you don't know how to make the magic ring, now please pay attention to look what I'm doing so you can see what I can do. For this magic ring, you will get to use the left-handed when I'm using 2 fingers. To front, when I'm holding yarn, you have to use your thumb. And wrap around 2 fingers to make an X. And use the crochet hook to insert the hook to go underneath the first part of X. Then take the loop and make 1 chain and secure it and remove 2 fingers, and that's it. So this is very easy. And row number 1 will make a magic ring. Will have 6 single crochet. Now go ahead, you can go insert the hook in the circle of the magic ring and take the loop and yarn over and pull through 2. This is 1 single crochet. Make 5 more single crochet. That's number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're closing the magic ring, you have to pull the string and close very well. And this is very easy. And that's it. Now I can put the stitch mark in the end of the stitch. And continue doing for row number 2. 6 increases to have 12 stitches. That means we're going to have a 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And starting here for the first stitch, we will make for the next round. And take the loop and yarn over and pull through 2. And 1 more single crochet in the same stitch and take the loop and yarn over and pull through 2. And repeat. 5 more increases to have 12 stitches. In round 3, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times to have 18 stitches. First, we will take for 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, we will have a 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And repeat. 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 5 more times to have 18 stitches. And row number 4. 2 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times to have 24 stitches. 1 and 2. Next stitch we'll make for 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And repeat. 2 single crochet and 1 decrease 5 more times to have 24 stitches. And row number 5. 3 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times to have 30 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Next stitch we will make for 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And we're going to repeat 3 single crochet and 1 decrease 5 more times to have 30 stitches. In round 6, at the same point, we'll have a 30 single crochet, taking the back loops only, where we'll have only one row. Pay attention to look at the stitch so you can see what I can do is to insert the hook to go taking the back strand and take the loop and yarn over and pull through 2. And continue doing single crochet, taking the back loops only until the end of this round. In round 7 to 10, at the same point, we'll have a 30 single crochet. We can take it in the both stitch only. We'll have 4 more rows before we can do for the little bit of the decreasing. It will be the next round. In round 11, 8 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times to have 27 stitches. And first, we're going to take for 8 single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the next stitch we will make for 2 single crochet together, taking the front strands. We're going to repeat 8 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 more times to have 27 stitches. And round 12, 7 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times to have 24 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the next stitch we will make for 2 single crochet together. And we're going to repeat 7 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 more times to have 24 stitches. And round 13, 6 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times to have 21 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the next stitch we will make for 2 single crochet together. And we're going to repeat 6 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 more times to have 21 stitches. And round 14, for the last decrease, we'll have 5 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times to have 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next stitch we will make for 2 single crochet together. And we're going to repeat 5 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 more times to have 18 stitches. In round 15, at the same point we'll have an 18 single crochet each stitch, where we'll have only 1 row before you can filling up with the stuffing inside the body. So after that, with this round, we're gonna have decreasing. This will be the next round. Now put the stuff inside the body. Just make sure it needs to be filling up with a polyfill fiber, just lightly to become a little bit of form of the body. So once you got the filling up the stuffing, and we will continue working on the body. In row number 16, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times to have 12 stitches. 1 single crochet, and the next stitch we'll have a 2 single crochet together. And we're going to repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 5 more times to have 12 stitches. In round 17, 6 decreases to have 6 stitches. We will take it for the insert the hook to take in the front strands only. And the next stitch we will take another one and take the loop and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And repeat 5 more decreases to have 6 stitches. Last round, in round 18, at the same point we'll have a 6 slip stitches. Each stitch we will have only 1 row. But first we need a little bit more stuff inside. If you need more stuffing inside, you can have a little bit of only lightly, okay? Not so much after all, okay? And now take the loop and yarn over, pull through 1 loop. And continue doing single crochet until the end of this round. At this point, you get to finish up. Just cut the yarn and leave a long tail to close the hole. Take off the stitch mark and using the needle to seal all around these stitches. And now go ahead, insert the needle to the first stitch, taking the front strand to starting to close the hole, and pass the yarn around to go inside and outside. Do it 6 more times. Once you got it completely closed, pull the string tightly. And now go ahead and finish off any place where we add, and then you can cut the yarn and hide the yarn. You have to push the string to tuck it inside the stitch, and that's it. So here is the body. So you can see how nice and flat that you have. Next step I'm going to have for making the nose. which is I'm gonna have a peach yarn. For the nose with a peach yarn, this is just gonna be very, very easy for you guys. So I already show you how to make the magic ring. That's very easy. In row number 1, we'll make a magic ring that has 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now close the magic ring and we were working on the spiral. Then put the stitch marker in the end of the stitch. And row number 2, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times to have 8 stitches. Starting here have a 1 single crochet for the first stitch. That's 1 single crochet, and the next stitch will have just only 1 single crochet. That's number 2. And the next stitch will have a 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And we're going to repeat 2 single crochet and 1 decrease 1 more time to have 8 stitches. And round 3, at the same point, we'll have an 8 single crochet. Each stitch will have only 1 row. Before we can do it for a little bit of decreases, just like in the beginning, but opposite. And this is the end of round 3. Remove the stitch marker and replace the stitch mark in the end of the stitch. That means it's for the next round that you already made stitches for the beginning to the end. And row number 4, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times to have 6 stitches. That's 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And the next stitch we will make for 2 single crochet together, taking the front strands only, and take the loop and yarn over and pull through 2. And repeat 2 single crochet and 1 decrease 1 more time to have 6 stitches. At this point, you get to finish up. Just cut the yarn and leave the long tail to close the hole first. Take off the stitch mark and put a little bit stuff inside first. Not overstuff it after all. And once you got it filling up the stuffing, now you can close the hole and cut it for a little bit. It's very, very easy. I'm going to use a needle and starting to insert the needle to go past the yarn to go inside and outside. That's number 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once it got completely closed, pull the string tightly. Don't cut it because I'm going to join this nose in the body for the next video. So that is it for the video. I just got what I made for making this body and the nose. So that was the first part of the little Christmas tree now. Pretty good. For the next part of the tutorial, I'm going to continue working on the nose and the body. Any other things, I'm going to make the beard and the hair. And come back next time for more little Christmas tree gnome. If you have not subscribed yet, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to click on the like button, subscribe, and activate the bell, and share the video with your friends up below. By activating the bell, you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And stay tuned for the little Christmas tree gnome amigurumi. We'll find out. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, be creative and be happy. See you guys next part. Goodbye.